Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at the sequential form of the Bayes rule given IID measurements, that is, measurements that are identical and independently distributed. So, given set of measurements yn, where n is equal to 1 to n, and we are given the likelihood P of yn given theta. Theta is the hidden variable we are interested in, and yn are IID, that is, they are identical and independently distributed from a given distribution P of yn. So basically the implication of IID is that the probability of y 1 to n, that is the probability of n measurements, the joint probability of n measurements or the joint PDF of n measurements, that is y1 to yn, is equal to the product n equal to 1 to n P of yn. Similarly, the likelihood function of y1 to n given theta is also equal to the product n equal to 1 to n P of yn given theta. These definitions are valid only for independent yn. Now our goal is to derive the sequential form of Bayes rule for IID yn. That is, we want to derive that the PDF of the unknown variable, the hidden variable theta, given the n measurements, is equal to P naught of theta, that is the prior of theta, multiplied by the likelihood y1 to n given theta divided by P of y1 to n, that is the evidence. And the sequential form for this Bayes rule is given by P of n minus 1 theta into P of yn given theta, that is the likelihood of the latest measurement, the current prior multiplied by the likelihood of the latest measurement divided by evidence from the latest measurement. First, let us derive the expression here. That is, from the Bayes rule, P of theta given y1 to n, that is the posterior of theta given n measurements, is equal to the joint, that is P of theta given y1 to n, the joint PDF of the hidden variable and the n measurements over P of y1 to n. And the joint PDF is equal to the initial prior of theta multiplied by the likelihood y1 to n given theta, that is the joint likelihood of n measurements given theta divided by total evidence. Now by using the condition of IID, that is, since the measurements yn are all IID, we can use the definition of this joint PDF as the product of individual PDFs. We can rewrite this Bayes rule as P naught of theta multiplied by the product n equal to 1 to n P of yn given theta divided by the product n equal to 1 to n P of yn. And this can be easily written as P naught of theta multiplied by the product n equal to 1 to n minus 1 P of yn given theta and P of yn, that is the likelihood of the latest measurement, divided by the product n equal to 1 to n minus 1 P of yn multiplied by P of yn, that is the evidence due to the latest measurement. So now by comparing this ratio with this ratio, we can clearly see that this one is actually equal to P of theta given y1 to n minus 1. That is the posterior given n minus 1 measurements, which basically becomes the prior for the before the nth measurement. And then we multiply with the likelihood of the nth measurement and divide by its evidence. Now by simply denoting P of n minus 1 of theta as P of theta given n minus 1 measurements and Pn of theta as the current posterior, that is given n measurements, P of theta given n measurements, we can write that P of n of theta that is the current posterior, is equal to the current prior multiplied by the likelihood of the latest measurement divided by the corresponding evidence. This is the sequential form of the Bayes rule for IID measurements. Thanks for watching.